An ideal pet door means freedom both for you and your pets, and they're so easy to install. All you need are a few basic tools and a little guidance, and your pet will be able to come in and go out whenever you want them to in just a matter of minutes. So let's get started. To begin with, you'll need to have the following tools. As with any home improvement project, if you do not have the tools or the skills necessary, we recommend using a professional handy person or licensed contractor. First, measure your pet's shoulder height using a tape measure. The pet door should be set no lower than that height. In fact, we recommend adding 2 inches to the shoulder height measurement. With the door closed, use a pencil to mark the shoulder height dimension plus 2 inches onto the door as close to the center of the door as possible. Make sure to extend the mark with a line about 4 inches wide, which is level and straight. Now take the lockout slide and place onto the door as shown, underneath the top pencil line you just drew. If in this position the bottom of the slide is less than 4 inches from the bottom edge of the door, raise the slide until it is. Cutting anywhere near the bottom of the door is not recommended. Now draw with the pencil around the template, making sure to keep the template level and vertically straight. Then remove the template. If the guidelines look straight and level and the position is correct, proceed to the next step. At this point in the installation, we recommend strongly wearing safety glasses. Now take the power drill and using the 3/8 inch drill bit, start to drill out the 4 corner starter holes. Aim to drill within the pencil line as shown here. Drill all 4 holes before continuing to the next step. Now you can insert the jigsaw into the first starter hole and saw along the pencil line as shown until reaching the hole on the other side. Saw along all 4 sides. When you are done, gently remove and discard the cutout door material. Next, you'll need the outside frame. This is the one without the flap and has a date on the inside bottom edge. On this door, a special slot is located on the outside frame to lock together with the flap pin. Place the outside frame into the cutout. Place upright and flush on the outside of the door. Now take the other frame and set them into each other until they are both flush against the door. Make sure the flap hinge pins on the inside flap are horizontal so they will not interfere with the slot on the outside frame. Once the frames are together, hand fit the screws in all 6 places. Now using the power driver, tighten all the screws without over-tightening. Over-tightening the screws can cause the door to warp, and as this affects performance, we recommend checking to make sure that the screws are not over-tight. Reverse the power driver and back off the screws a little bit if the frame seems too tight, as shown here. Then check the flap for fit and function. Then try fitting the lockout slide into position, making sure that it locks automatically when dropped into place. Remove the slide and the door is ready for use.